for the Special Olympics, having this talk is just one step closer to exactly what we want, and that's inclusion.
They gave Chris and Adrian and others like them an opportunity to do something that nobody thought was possible. That led to him doing the IRONMAN. So your contribution creates opportunities like that for all of our kids. Really believe in them, help them get started. If you're just patient and listen to them a little bit, you'll be amazed at how much they have to contribute.
This is the beginning of our race for inclusion, inclusion in technology, inclusion in education, inclusion in the workplace.
Inclusion is really a big step.